Vitamin C, your daily defense.
What you just watched, that entire action scene and commercial video ads, were made with zero camera and zero crew. No actors, no equipment, no production team, just two AI models and a solid workflow. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and give you the full prompt so you can do the same. You already know the best video generation model right now is Seedance 2.0. And for images, it's GPT Image 2. These two together are a powerful combination. And yes, for the video you just saw, I used both of them. I used Pippit AI to create the video since both models are available right there on one platform, which means no switching between apps or managing multiple subscriptions. Okay, let's talk about the workflow. The first step is creating a character sheet or product reference. This is the foundation. Without it, your characters will look inconsistent from shot to shot. I use the GPT Image 2 model in Pippit AI to do it, since GPT Image 2 right now is the best model for creating complex images. It keeps the details, maintains consistency, and can handle a lot of text all together in one image. Here is the result of the character sheet I created. You can see the consistency and detail in the result. We'll use this as our reference throughout the entire video. Now I need to create a storyboard for the video production. But instead of creating images one by one, which takes forever, I used a method with GPT Image 2 to create a full storyboard that gives me 9 images or more in one go. That way, you can already visualize the entire video before you even start generating it. Let's try it and see the result. Now you can see why I love using GPT Image 2, right? With a single prompt, you can create a fully detailed storyboard like this. This is a game changer. No more creating images one by one. That just costs too much time. Since we are using Seedance 2.0, it can already understand complex and detailed references like this and produce results almost instantly. Still, in Pippit AI, I used the Dreaminess Seedance 2.0 model to generate the video. I uploaded the character reference and the storyboard image, and that's really all it needs. I kept the prompt simple since the storyboard already gives it all the direction it needs, and Seedance 2.0 is smart enough to build the video from there. With these two tools combined, the workflow is so much faster than before. And since both models are available on Pippit AI, you don't need to subscribe to anything else. One tool is enough. Pippit AI also has Nano Banana Pro built in, which is great for image editing when you need that extra refinement. This workflow combining Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image 2 on Pippit AI has really changed how I create content, and I'm just getting started with what's possible. If you want to try it yourself, Pippit AI gives you free credits every day, so there's literally no reason not to give it a shot. I'll put the link in the description below. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and let me know what kind of video tutorial you want me to make next. Should I do a full breakdown of how to create a product commercial from scratch? Or maybe a cinematic short film workflow? Or do you want me to go deeper into prompt writing for Seedance 2.0? Let me know. I read every comment and your suggestions actually shape what I make next.